Hello everyone, welcome to Art with Joshi, and I am your mentor Shikha. Today we will learn how to make a very simple Christmas card with drawing. Now you can see this card, it's a very simple card which we have made with colors, drawing and coloring. We have already made a lot of things related to Christmas on our channel. You can just check them out. And you can always check our 7-day Christmas challenge where we have made different things, a big Christmas tree, star, and all those things with the help of craft. Okay, to start with it, we require a white sheet, a pencil, black marker, oil pastels, and I will also use masking tape. This is optional, completely depends upon you. If you want to use it, you can. Before we start the video, I would request you all to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for all the latest updates. So let's start. Now the first step is we will fold this sheet. We will fold this sheet from the center and we'll make a crease. We have to just fold it and we have to make a crease. That's the first step. So we will make a crease like this and then we will make the drawing. Now to make the drawing, it's very simple. I'll just tell you step by step to make it. We will first, now whatever you are making, you have to make it in the center of the sheet. So what I'm doing is I'm first making the bow and then I will make the bells. So you can take a square or an oval shape. Anything which you want to learn for the Christmas, you can just write it in the comment box. Something which you really wish to learn for the Christmas, so we'll make that for you. I hope you all have checked our 7-day Christmas challenge where we have learned so many different Christmas ornaments, and the basic thing is we have made a big Christmas tree. The big Christmas tree all by ourselves. So no need to purchase a tree this time. Just make it with the help of your parents. You can make it. Now what I will do is I will use this masking tape on all the all the four sides. You can leave it like this also in case you wish to give these borders. Otherwise you can just color it on the whole page also. So wherever you want to make these borders or leave some white spaces, you can always add these masking tapes. This is completely optional. So let's start with the coloring part. Now to color it, to color the bells. So I'm using this, I'll use this lemon yellow color. I have this lemon yellow color and I have this dark cardamom yellow. I'm using these two colors. So whichever two yellow colors you have, you can use that because we have to give little depth. We learn how to do shading. We are not just simply coloring it. So I'm using this yellow color towards the center. I'm using this dark yellow and we'll mix it and merge it. What we will do is we will add a depth with this mustard color. We'll take a little mustard color and towards the corners we will just add a little shade with the dark yellow color which we have. Again we'll use the mustard color to give the depth because this area is inside the bell, so it will be a little darker. Why is that area darker? Because the source of light which is there cannot go there. That's why that area appears to us little darker than the outer part. Now we will give the shades in the bow. For that I'm using red and a maroon color. I'll first color it with the red color. And here I will, in the center, I'll add some shades of maroon color. And this bottom part has to be with the maroon color. Now you can take any one color or two different green colors. I'll make one with light green, one with dark green. So I'll make this, I'm making one, or we can do one with lighter tone, the other side the darker tone. We can give the tones like that also. So the simple coloring part is done, but the background is looking too blank. So what we'll do is we'll give some shades in the background. For that I'm planning to take this middle purple, little basically pink, dark pink, and this purple color, violet. So I'll take these two colors and I'll give an effect with these two colors. The corners will be darker with the darker shade, and the center part will be a little lighter shade. Okay, now for the drawing of this, if you want that I should post the drawing of my these bells, I will share it on the Instagram page and even on the community. So you can just check it from there. If you want to see just the drawing part, I'll just do that. So my plan is we'll give the shades, the darker shades, and then the lighter shades in the center part. So it's not necessary that we have to give a gradation from up to down or from top to bottom. We can make it in a stylized form where there is a gradation from top to bottom also, or maybe the center part is lighter and the corners are darker. So we can do anything. It's our creativity and how we take it further. So the coloring is done. Let's remove the tapes and see how it is looking. Now what we can do is inside we can write down Merry Christmas. You can take any color sketch pen and you can write down Merry Christmas with it. So our simple greeting cards with drawing and coloring is ready. I hope you will enjoy making it. Do subscribe the channel and share it with your family and friends. And of course, don't miss the 7-day Christmas challenge and do try them. And if you have created any of them, do share it on our Insta and Facebook page. You can just tag us. Bye everyone. Take care. Stay happy and stay safe.